Hey guys, long time no see. Today's video is a vlog of me deep cleaning my closet, and it was beyond time. I'm so happy that I did this. I honestly felt so good just getting rid of things that no longer fit me. If you're like me during the pandemic, you gained a little bit of weight and struggling to lose it, but that is okay. We're in our new bodies, let's just be healthy. But while we're doing that, let's make sure that we have clothes in our closet that fits us, makes us feel good. If it doesn't make us feel good, let's get rid of it. So that is exactly what I did today. I filmed this a couple of months ago actually, so I am due for part 2, and I'll film that in the next couple of weeks. But I wanted to get this video up because I was just really proud of all of the things that I donated. I think I had like 4 or 5 bags, so I was really excited about that, and I hope this motivates you to do the same. You got this, girl. Let's get to it, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, get ready guys. This is the closet. I know what you're thinking. I know this is a lot, but we're going to fix it right now. Okay, here's the closet. We are going to take all of the things on hangers out first and get that situated. Everything on the ground, so all of the pillows and the linens on the ground, they all should go in the guest bedroom. Since that's being occupied right now, this will still need to be in my closet until that room is empty and I can put these on the bed and decorate, all that good stuff. Same with these pillows. I actually want to take the covers off and get new covers on them. So the first thing I'm doing is pulling everything out of the closet. I read somewhere that the best way to clean is by doing that, so you're working with a blank canvas. And so everything on hangers I'm pulling out, and I'm going to go through everything one by one. This was so awesome because previously when I would clean my closet, I would just pull things out that I maybe didn't like anymore or haven't worn in a while, but actually pulling everything out one by one made me analyze everything in detail. What was really astounding to me was actually trying on all of my clothes. So things that I haven't worn in a while, I wasn't quite sure how they'd fit. And I'm so glad I did this because I was hanging on to clothes that no longer fit me and I didn't even realize. And it wasn't just like one size too small where I could probably lose a little bit of weight and fit in it. There were things that were in my closet since like 2015, things that I haven't worn in such a long time. So trying those on and realizing I couldn't even get them over my shoulders was very eye-opening. But now I am so much happier because I just have more space and I can add new things into my closet that fit me and serve me and make me feel good, and I'm just overall happier. Immediately no. I can't even put the straps up. I think it's gonna be a no. I really like this dress. It's so comfy. Every time I wear it though, Quinn calls me Mrs. Frizzle. I don't think it was this short when I first got it. Yeah, definitely going to keep this. It won't even fit my waist. So, gotta go. I like corduroy, but I'm not quite sure. It won't close up, so going away. This one still fits. I still love it. Keeping. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick update of the closet. So as you can see, it is a lot more empty, which feels really good. All of the jeans pretty much were way too small, and I don't know why I kept them up here. So they're all gone except for this one pair from Abercrombie. So I definitely want to go and pick up some more jeans today. I got through a lot of the shirts that no longer fit or just weren't my style anymore. A lot of the skirts are gone. I have enough room here, so I have 2 more slots here, another hanger. I added some more stuff, which is why it doesn't look that empty, but yeah, everything here fits. Everything here I like and I wear, so I'm finally getting a closet that is like stuff that I actually wear. And here's the pile of clothes that I got rid of. I need to go through here and figure out what is donation and what is going to be sold on Poshmark. I have a lot of things with like tags on them. They're still in good condition, so I don't want to just completely donate them if like I can try to get some money back from them. Okay, you guys, it has been a couple of weeks. A lot has changed in the last couple of weeks. I will film a video to get you guys up to speed on it. Probably will come out after this video, but now it is time to take everything that I put in that IKEA bag, and I have trash bags because my goal tomorrow is to take all of this stuff to Goodwill. I have boxes downstairs from the dining room reno, and I have these 2 bags, one in the closet, one that I just went with you guys over to donate. So I have a couple of trash bags here. I'm expecting to need a lot more, but I need to get rid of this stuff. So now we're gonna go through it, get rid of it because it has to go. It is just time to go.